Thank you from the people of my heart. One, two, three. Oh, mama, you feel go me go, mama, now it was me. Yeah, you said so. All down the band, go. That's how he the road, yeah. He come back. No. Hit the road, yeah. He come back. Lean 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 back. Hair done, nails done, everything did you fancy. You don't buy no things at the bar. I campaign when you get that door. You say, oh yeah, I like me and the world. I like it. Baby, you like it. You ain't got it. I'm not only a singer, I'm bilingual and I tell jokes. Before I go to my Spanish, I'm gonna do this first. Don't take it seriously, folks. These are only jokes. Why Ben Laden didn't get no more sex than his wife? Because every time she opened her legs, he see Bush. Why did Freddy Krueger kill Martin Luther King? He had a dream. Elton John and Michael Jackson, what was their worst song? Don't let your sun go down on me. They had a black guy, a Puerto Rican, and a Dominican guy in the car. Who the driver? The police. What did Michael Jackson think about little kids on a school bus? Meals on wheels. There's a black guy and a white guy. The black guy said, that was black. The white guy said, no, it's white. They had a fight. They hit their heads. They both died. They went to heaven. They said God, and God said, buenos dias. I que oya. On this oya. You go, Papa. You go, Papa. I que oya. On this oya. Michael Jackson and the Catholic priest, what they ordered from the Chinese restaurant? Some young boy. Why Michael like 28-year-olds? Because there's 20 of them. Michael Jackson, what did the lady say to Michael Jackson on the beach? Get out of my son. What's the Dominican's favorite drugstore? Dwayne Reed, DR, the Dominican Republic. I love you all, God bless you. Have a wonderful day. Hair done, nails done, everything did you fancy. You don't buy no things at the bar. I can't see when you get that phone. You say, I don't like being little gangster. But you ain't got no little gangster. So you better stop. I get all ya.
Come solo.
I get all ya. Come solo.
Say other place for Dominican Republic.
I am number uno in Puerto Plata, in Santo Domingo, San Francisco, La Habana, Granada, Las Vegas, Kuwait, Boca Chica, Boca de Capital, Santiago, Barcelona, Navarrete, Miles, Cecilio, Acta, San Juan, Benet, Barcelona, Santiago, Yabong, Monte Cristo, Incomida, Mars, San Antonio, Arroz con Pollo, Bacalao, Sin Pocho, Arroz con Arroz, Panapina, no Jungle, you can never know. I speak Chinese too. Ni hama, how are you? Oh, okay.